Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to stream Netflix on Discord. Okay, first things first, open up your Netflix application on your preferred browser. Then, what you want to do is to select a movie or a TV show that you and your friends are going to watch. Once you have done all of that, you may now proceed with minimizing Netflix or maximizing it, depending on your desired. Now, what you are going to do is to select Discord. Head to one of your servers that you want to stream a movie and head to a voice channel. In here, just press this button and select your stream screen. Just do that and you will now be able to stream Netflix. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now stream Netflix on Discord. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.